This is me, Zubin Atré, and I've got this. Atré Yoga Teachers Training Certification is more than just a challenge.
It's a transformative course that would mark clear chapters of
Before and after
in the book of your life.
this training is a special chance for you to slow down, get connected, simplify, and discover new practices.
You will create a ground you need to move easily, confidently, and capably through the whole life.
And if you're looking to lead classes confidently and carry new approaches, skill sets, and practices into your work, then this is the program
Which provides you a 200-hour certification by International Yoga Alliance and get certified to teach Atré Yoga.
You will learn to understand and lead a true blue Atré Yoga experience from the ground up to workshops, retreat, and conduct corporate programs.
You will discover our vocabulary of movement designed to harness your breath and body connection.
And get yourself and your students moving easily through any challenge.
Diving deep into the anatomy, biomechanics of the human body,
Moving beyond the physical challenges
understanding the layers to support positive connection
and inspirational accomplishment for yourself.
and your students.
a toolkit to develop and understand on
How to build and manage a successful yoga studio
mark-worthy online presence,
and videos like this. This will be the most updated yoga teacher training course
you could enroll yourself into today.
Visit the link if you want to become an authentic yoga teacher.
Or in other words, a successful wellness entrepreneur.